Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who visits your Instagram profile. So first of all, just open the Instagram application in your mobile. So here we will lay a bit of trap to determine if somebody is on your profile or sees your profile. So we will tap the profile icon at the bottom right, and then there are three lines at the top right. Let's choose settings and privacy. So in settings and privacy, we will scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will see this option account type and tools. So you just have to tap on it. So if it says switch to a professional account, go ahead and switch over to a professional account here so that you will be able to see all this analytics and insights associated with a story on your profile or story highlights. So switch to a professional account, doesn't really matter what you choose there, it's all free. So once you have done that, we are going to tap home in the bottom left and then we will tap on this plus button to create a story. I'm just gonna choose a random photo. It doesn't really matter what you choose. Hit the next at the upper right. Now here is key. If you suspect somebody is viewing your profile, you want to just see they are viewing it, you can simply switch to close friends. You can simply tap on this audience and you can simply switch to close friends here. And let's say I am curious that this Sukhan is visiting my profile. I can hit done and tap on this share. Now this will share my story only visible to that person I choose in close. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right and where it says highlight, we can tap on this plus to create a new highlight and I will choose the one that I just posted and then hit next and then tap on this done. Now that I have done that, I highlighted on my profile, just tap on it, I can swipe up and it will show me all of the insights exactly who has seen this specific highlight, and basically it will tell me if that person viewed my profile and viewed this highlight. Most likely if they are checking out your profile, they will see that you have a new highlight, they will check it out and you will be able to see definitively if they are checking out and viewing your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.